Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have this key fob which is from 2024 Nissan Rogue, and I will show you how to remove and replace the battery. This video should apply to Nissan Rogues made from 2021 all the way up to 2026. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Okay, so the first thing you have to do, you have to turn the fob backwards and remove the blade from the housing. To do that, you have like a small slide here, so you will just press it and pull the blade out. Okay, once that is done, if you look at the key fob, you will have two small openings here, one here and one here. And all you have to do, you have to kind of separate the top portion and bottom portion of the fob. Now the best tool to use would be like a small screwdriver, just to pry it here on both sides. You see, just want to pry it here and you want to pry it here as well. Okay, and you will get to the battery. Now to remove the battery, same thing, you just want to gently pry it out. And the type of battery you will need, it's a CR2032. This is the standard battery that goes to most of the key fobs. Once you have the new battery, you will just install it in its place, and then you will put back everything together. It should just pop in. Okay, and insert the blade back into the housing, and you're done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.